Hello guys, welcome to Noah's Tech Info. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a digital receptionist on 3CX V18. So without further ado, let's begin this tutorial. Okay, so as you can see, I'm at the 3CX management console, and of course I'm going to have to log in. And as you can see, I'm at the dashboard. So before we get started on this, I'm just going to quickly show a diagram of what we're going to be doing. So as you can see, we have our 3CX system here. Within the system, we have the digital receptionist, and it's going to be extension 6000, and it's going to be the main menu. We're going to have three options. When you select option 1, you're going to go to the repeat prompt button. So essentially, it's just going to repeat the recording again. When you press the end call prompt, it's going to, well, pretty self-explanatory, isn't it? It's going to end the call. Whereas if you go to option 3, it's going to dial extension 9002, which in my case is the extension I have up at the moment, which is on the 3CX web client from video number 3. So let's get started. So in order to do this, I'm going to go into digital receptionists. And as you can see, we already have one at default, which is the out of office IVR. It hasn't got an extension, but it's just the out of office IVR. And it'll just hang up, as you can see here. So I'm going to cancel, and I'm going to click on add. And now we've got our creation tool over here. So we're going to get started. So I'm going to call this main menu. And then in brackets, I'm just going to call it video 6, because why not? And of course, the extension number we were going to specify was 6000. The type is going to be standard. I will walk through this in a separate video in a more advanced way, but this is just to create a basic digital receptionist. So one of the most important things about a digital receptionist is the prompt. So a prompt is essentially an audio recording that is played when you join a digital receptionist. So if you were to call up a company and it says press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, press 3 for the rest of that, the prompt is that recording. So of course I'm going to be making 3 options. So in order to do this, I'm just going to click record, and I'm just going to call it main-menu. And I'm going to send it off to extension 9002 3CX video 3. And in my other tab, we see we now get a record file thing here.
Record your message, then press hash.
Welcome to the NTI main menu. Press 1 to repeat this prompt. Press 2 to end this call, or press 3 to dial extension 9002.
To save message, press 0. Your message saved.
And that's now done. So back in the digital receptionist, we can now select the prompt and choose main menu.wav. One important thing to note here, it must be a .wav file if you are already uploading prompts. So if we click on add, you can already see that we have my files over here. Of course, that's all been blurred out, but you would upload all your WAV files over there. The digital receptionist language will be UK English from set. And now we're going to select our options. So 1 is going to send us to repeat prompt. Number 2 is going to end the call. And number 3 is going to dial extension 9002. With that, we can now click on OK. And in order to test this, we're going to use the same extension just to show that you can dial the digital receptionist even though you are that extension that may be on it. So of course it does not matter, just so if anyone is slightly confused. So I'm now going to go over to the dialer, and I'm going to dial 6000. Welcome to the NCI main menu. Press 1 to repeat this prompt. Press 2 to end this call, or press 3 to dial extension 9002. I'm of course going to repeat the prompt first to show you that it works. Welcome to the NCI main menu. There you go. Welcome to the NCI main menu. Press 1 to repeat this prompt. Press 2. Now I'm going to end the call.
Thank you. Goodbye.
And now I'm just going to dial it back real quick. Welcome to the NCI. Now I'm going to press number 3. Press.
Record your message and press.
Now the reason why that's going to the voicemail is because I'm dialing from extension 9002, which is of course the extension on it. So if that makes sense. Essentially, if you can't call yourself, so of course you're going to have another extension to test this. But for demonstration purposes, I'm going to be using the same extension. But of course, you can imagine that if it was going to voicemail, it would definitely be able to connect to the extension, and then you'd be able to initiate a call. And that's it. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If you would like to request a video, please leave your comments in the comment section below, or you can check out our Discord server, Twitter and Instagram pages, which are the links in the video description. Join me next week where I'll be teaching you more about digital receptionists, and I'll be expanding on it, and I'll be creating more menus, and we're just going to look into a few more features, and we're also going to look at the different types of digital receptionists that you can create. But that's it. See you all next week.